In the sweltering heat of the Mississippi Delta, in the city of Clarksdale, just down Highway 61, known as the Blues Highway, teams of Air Force reservists are working feverishly on a project at a local airport as part of innovative readiness training. IRT provides real-world training opportunities for reserve civil engineers to prepare them for their wartime missions while supporting the needs of America's underserved communities. This is the second year AFRC crews are in Clarksdale, getting valuable training while upgrading the airport for the local community.
On both facilities, we came in and drywalled, electrical, painted, put in all the lights, etc.
It's wonderful. You know, I love helping out people. I mean, it's a great thing that the Air Force is able to reach out to communities and help them out and build things, whatever they need.
This year's group faced several challenges throughout the summer and ways to overcome them, all while honing their craft.
Weather has been a great challenge. We've lost approximately 6 weeks to weather for horizontal work.
I've never experienced with dirt that just doesn't dry. I guess it's the humidity in the air. It's just so muddy, mushy. It's hard to work with. You gotta baby it, so to speak. Other than that, it's not that bad.
What I like to do out here is I like them to train as if they're going to deploy. I treat this as a deployed area. And when we cannot do horizontal work, they need to come in and help with vertical construction. And on the other hand, if they need help with pouring concrete or placing asphalt, we need to send those troops out there. That's not normally their area of expertise, but they do need the manpower, the labor pool to assist them, and that's where we help each other out.
For the reservist, getting the opportunity to work with other units from throughout the command has several advantages.
Networking with new people, like you never know when you're going to be downrange with them. So once you already have that rapport built with them, once you get out there, it's going to be a whole lot easier.
We've all came together and just worked like we have been one unit for years. Everybody else from the other units have got great input for whatever they need, and they ask us questions, we ask them questions, we're all able to answer everybody, so it's a great thing.
The Director of Installations and Mission Support and other members of the A7 community paid a visit to the troops to get a first-hand look at the work being done. He discusses the future outlook for the IRT program.
I think the sky's the limit. Obviously, there are some specific requirements that we have to meet before we can take on these programs. But when you talk about the budget constraints that we are under right now, I think the IRT program is absolutely essential for us to be able to identify projects close to home in our communities where our folks can limit the distances that they're traveling and be able to, again, to visit some of those communities that are close by. But as far as the future of the IRT program, I think is absolutely essential for our civil engineering force to be able to continue to participate in the program.
One airman who worked the entire summer in Clarksdale sums up his feelings about the project.
We're able to give the county a quality product that they're proud of, and from the Air Force perspective, I think we gave them the best that we could, and we showed that the Air Force can do a quality project while we're training.
Reporting from Clarksdale, Mississippi, for Air Force Reserve Command, I'm Air Force Sergeant Chance Babin.